Alright, so we're going to be replacing 12-inch sub in here. I need to take this off. Alright, so I got these little stars in there. I don't know why I did this. Oh, yeah, because all I had was decking screws. White on the outside, white on the outside, white on the outside. Since I always forget that these decking screws need to put a bit, leave it. I do. Alright, let's get this box out. Let's get the sub out.
They're both powered through the one?
This isn't even hooked up on this. Interesting. Very interesting. It's like a splitting. So yeah, I've always had these plugged in. And up until recently, when this side broke, I realized I unplugged this and I kept thinking, why is this one still working? Why is it still making all this noise? I thought it just had to be the pressure of this other one vibrating. I'm just gonna run it. I've been running it. I'm just gonna leave that disconnected over there. I'm gonna plug the car in. I'm gonna test this out first. Before we get everything put away, perfect. All up onto it. Let's try it out. Good. Alright, now we're just gonna get everything put back together. We're solid. So eventually I'm gonna flip both of these over to Pioneer. I'm gonna switch all my door speakers over to Pioneer. It's good, and if they break, it's easy to replace. Okay, going up. That's gotta be it, Maddie. Guess I can plug in another subwoofer. There we go. Now into my parts junkyard. My parts junkyard's full. I need a new one. This is what I hear on my end. I don't know if you guys can hear that. And there goes Kiki. She's gonna go park. Oh, look, there's this light. fun.
Where's Acer Monkey?
I don't know.
Desayuno superior. Compra uno de tus favoritos como Sausage McMuffin, Sausage Burrito, Sausage McGriddles o Hash Browns y llévate otro por $1. Precio y sensación con variantes de perfecto cambio mi válida para un producto de $1.
Yeah! Wow. Okay. What fucking psycho does that shit? Treat your local pub with respect. Thank you. Yeah. It's totally doing it when I'm filming too. Not. Look at that. Just look at that. I got the one spot with the nice hearts. I'm gonna take Liam home. We're gonna go play some. I'm locked out. Are you fucking kidding me? Bruh! 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 I thought we were playing zombies! I thought we were gonna play some fucking Vinci again! I thought I was supposed to take you home! So it's snowing. 2:05. Today we're trying Whippersnapper, a local whiskey. Haven't seen it till today. Just picked it up in the liquor store. Let's try it out.
I got it.
Hey, here's Colin. Whoa.
Is it a cork? Whoa! It's a glass cork. Oh, would you look at that shit?
Would you look at that? Would you look at that? That's good.
60% corn neutral spirits, 15% 60% corn neutral spirits, 15% corn, 13% malted barley, and 12% rye.
And 100% going back in my mouth.
Oh my god. Here's the best part about going up to the mountain, guys. Whiskey. Whoa.
Whiskey rated 4x4. No, sorry. I was just trying to figure out this. It's actually really good cork for being as weird as it is.
It's a glass one, dude. Those are fucking fancy. Stay tuned, folks. Don't go nowhere.
We drove up a little further and looked over. So we saw a little bit of snow, and all of a sudden, more deer parts. There's a top skull though, where the bottom skull was down below. There's more legs. Those are smaller. Oh, there's the whole skin. It looks like in a trash bag. Hey, but at least everything is platinum 7 times. Shower head. Come on, Oregonians. We can do better than this. We're not fucking New Jersey. So it's snowing. Just barely. We're fighting the snow. Well, we found some snow. It's snowing. Just a little bit. But remember, we're still at the beginning. We still have the whole road ahead. We still got the whole road ahead of us.
Stay tuned for more. There's a lot of man gadgets on that car.
Oh yeah. Man gadgets. I haven't even showed everyone my new shelves that I installed in my back windows. Instead of the mole racks, I just got, stick-on wire hanging shelves that work better for $15.99 on Amazon because it was a Cyber Monday. Can I get an oh yeah? Oh yeah. Right, boo boo? Can I get an oh yeah? Oh, she's just so sweet. So if you haven't already, like and subscribe.
Destroy the like button. Kill the subscribe button.
Also,
Hit that fucking bell in the goddamn corner.
yeah. Just kidding. Tickles! I'm just kidding. I'm a real man. I have a beard. I No, Tickle Bros. Oh, sorry, I smoked, so I can't do that. This is pretty cool. I definitely need to get a bigger car. I could do this part. It's pretty sweet. All that are watching, if you're watching this, he sacrificed. He's a trooper. Thank you. Like and subscribe for him. So this is the direction we came. Just turn to right. At least for now. There's a road here, and a road here. We had definitely found the snow.
We found the snow!
By chance, they stumbled on deeper and deeper into the mountain. Holes began to appear, bringing with them a cold and bitter wind that chilled their very soul.
Alex, oh my god.
I'm dizzy.
Alright, chill. This is apple garbage with vodka. I'm gonna try the snowball. Yep. Tastes like artificially made with natural flavors.
American. We don't get good stuff like Coleman stuff.
Ugh. I mean,
Tell me how you really feel.
it's cold. It's not that great.
It's cold. It's sour. Makes me angry. It's green. It's gonna make you green. Yucky. You're so cute, boo boo girl.
Yep, that got me.
Gravitation of the pull.